Madam Chairperson, today the Congress Party, portrays itself as the savior of minorities. But do they expect us to forget that they ran camps for forced sterilization of Muslim men in Old Delhi during 1976? In furthering their policy of divide and rule, like our colonial masters, the Congress engineered communal riots where so many Muslim brothers and sisters lost their lives. Did these poor people have no constitutional rights? My advice to the so-called defenders of the Constitution would be to realize that a sincere apology may serve you better than carrying unopened copies of the Constitution in your pocket. Madam Chairperson, from the preamble of the Constitution to Part 3 on fundamental rights, ample provisions have been provided to protect the interests of minorities. Our Constitution does not discriminate between citizens on the basis of religion. That is the position of the BJP as well, which regards all Indians as citizens and not as certain identities that can be manipulated, divided, or bought. Like the Honourable Prime Minister mentioned in his speech in the Lok Sabha, the Congress overturned the Supreme Court decision on the Shah Bano case because they felt it might appeal to the hardline elements of the Muslim community. They pandered to the revanchist and anti-progressive elements of the Muslim community. In reality, they failed our Muslim sisters and brought a regressive law which would not have passed muster in any Islamic country of the world as well. This was completely against the letter and spirit of the Constitution. To the Congress, minority welfare has just been a slogan of appeasement. For the Modi government, it is about inclusive development of every citizen. Facts speak for themselves. It was the Modi government which abolished the inhuman practice of triple talaq to offer a life of equality and dignity for millions of Muslim women. The Modi government has provided employment and self-employment opportunities to crores of minority communities. The minorities have immensely benefited from various schemes of the central government. Anywhere between 22 and 37% beneficiaries of the Mudra Yojana, Jan Dhan Yojana, Ayushman Bharat, Kisan Samman Nidhi, Ujjwala Yojana and the Swachh Bharat Mission belong to minorities. In some regions, up to 60% of the benefits have been received by the minority community directly.